Now, before starting, if you want to access all the design templates or website templates that WIX offers, how we can access those templates, let's see. So if you have already logged in and set up your account and went to the dashboard, and you are already on the dashboard on the setup page, you can see this design site right here. So once you click on this, it will take us to how would you like to design your website. You can generate a design with AI, but we don't want that. We want to see the templates that WIX offers. So let's click on pick a template, and there you go. This is all the website templates that WIX offers. You can continue with any of them. You can edit them and customize that for your own business. So let's say we have a shop here. So we have this store templates that are pretty amazing. If we have some online teaching website, we can write here. And we also have the templates for that one as well. If we want to develop it for your school or college or education website, you have amazing templates that you can explore and edit them just like this. Just click on edit and it will ready the template for you. And it shows here that it is preparing your website and loading your pages. So this might take a while. And as you can see, now we have a complete up and running website. It's adding the WIX forms and payments forms to the site. And as you can see, a beautiful website is right in front of you. So if you want to customize just for your business quickly, you can do that. But we will see how you can completely start it from the scratch and create our own website. So if you're on this main dashboard right here, on the top, you can see my site one. Since I have created one website with the template, but now I want to create a new one. Let's click on create a new site. And here it will show you that you can use AI to start the chat and just guide AI how you want to create your website, but we want to create it ourselves. So let's click on setup without a chat. And here again, it's asking you what kind of website do you have? So let's skip this. And now it's preparing your dashboard. Now, once you are in there, it will ask you about the website name. Since right now we don't have any name of the website, let's skip this part. And we don't have any goals yet. So let's skip this part as well. WIX apps, we don't want to connect it to WIX apps right now. Let's get on skip and let's continue to the dashboard. It will again load it. And there we have the final look. And now we are on the dashboard. Let's click on design site. And it's asking you, do you want to generate a design with AI or you want to customize a template? From here, we will click on pick a template and let's click on blank template from here. And if you want to start it from scratch and design all by yourself, let's click on this start from scratch option. Click on view. It says use this template as a starting point. Change anything you want to make this your website. Click on edit this site. And now we are on the main dashboard where we can add all the elements, sections, pages to our website. This is a complete blank document where we can customize however we want. So that's how you can start the website completely from scratch on a blank template.